Welcome back again. In the previous video, we have done some appendment to the text, then appearing of element while clicking on button. Here in this case, we are going to styling our element or our text using not elements but our text using the JavaScript. So here we go with this. So here in this case what we will do, just over here we will have created a file with the name of manipulate style using .html, and here we change the title manipulate style using JavaScript. Okay, so here in our case what we will do, I will take a paragraph, then to give ID to this, say this time I'm giving ID to it as say text2, or you can give a valuable ID, and here I write this is a paragraph to see the example, and I will create another button, and here I once again give the ID to this as say I'm just going to give it ID as style, and here I'm writing style text that is to be appear on this. So I will save this and refresh it. Here we got this is paragraph. Okay, and style text we just have misspelled over here, so refresh it. Now we just want that if we click on this button style text, the style of this line, this particular paragraph should be changed. So for this I will write a script over here, document dot get element by ID, then here we have to give the element of ID. So we have to click on this button, so the ID of this button is style. So here on click event equal to, then we have to create a function. This is a way of creating a function. Here we write the body of the function. So here we have to write document dot get element by ID, and we wanted to make changes to this paragraph, so the ID of this is text2. Now here in place of inner HTML we will use the style, and say we wanted to change the color of this, so we can use style dot color. Here we have to give the value to this. So just wanted to make color green, so we will write green over here. Just save this or refresh it. Now click on this button. Okay, nothing is going to be happen over here. There might be some errors, so for that we have to right click over here, then go to inspect, console. So code type error cannot property on click of non-elemental style. So we are having error number, error in the line 28. So what So we have to check for this on click. So ID is different, so you have to be particular. Here we have used the small s and here we have given the capital S, so that is the issue. So here we go save this, refresh it. Here we, not this time, look at this. Though here we see the color has been changed to, this is a paragraph that is from black to default color to green. Similarly, if we want this line to be bold along with this, so we simply have to write document dot get element by id, and here we have to give the id, and the id is text2 say, and here we have to use style. Now we want this to be bold. Okay, we want this to be bold, or we want to change the font size of this. So what we can write, font size. Now look at this font size. In case of CSS we use font hyphen size, but in case of JavaScript we have to use the font size function. This shows font. Now it's consisting of the two words, one is font and another one is the size. So this is the standard mechanism of standard protocol of giving name to a function. That is, whenever we have to give a name to a function, and it is consisting of two words, the first letter of the first word is in small, and in second third case the first word letter should be in capital. Font size, I'm just going to make it around say 25px. I'm just giving the value to this. Now make this, save it. Now here we go, refresh it and click on this button. Okay, this is achieved. Now using the same button style text, I just wanted to make it underline. Okay, hello guest, or I just wanted to make this JavaScript as underline. So for this I will write, I'm just going to copy this and paste it, and the name of this is text1, the ID of this is text1, and I just wanted to make it underline. So that is what is called as the text decoration. Text decoration function that I need to use over here, and here I have to give the value underline. Now save this, refresh it over here, then click on this button. Now look at this. This is make this, it's be just increase this, change the size. Sorry, we have changed the color of this and change the font of this paragraph, and we have made this paragraph underline by click event. Okay, so here in this case of green, you can use the hex system or RGB system. Okay, so here we just say give a color using FFAA say BB. So let's see which color comes over there. Refresh it here, and here we go. Okay, so this color is done over there. If we click on this button, click me, this text is changed. If we click on this button, it says I think JavaScript is awesome, and if you click on the appear button, it shows welcome up there, that we have already done in this chapter. So that's all for now. I hope you can change style of this, any elements or any text that you wanted to change using the JavaScript. That's all for now. Have a good day.